Hello friends, welcome to Makeup 360. Today I'm going to create this daytime Eid makeup look. It's a very simple look you can create for breakfast or anything. I just created this look with two products and it's a simple liner look and I'm not wearing any lashes with this. So let's see how I created this amazing look. So first I'm going to use some Vaseline on brush and I'm going to shape my brow here. And with L'Oreal Brow Ultra Brow pencil, I'm going to cover up my hair. So Vaseline actually helped me to shape my hair on the defined position. And I'm covering the extra space with this and I'm going to blend it. Now I'm using Maybelline Master Concealer. And first I'm going to hide my extra brow here because I don't pluck my eyebrow. So it's very important to shape your eyebrow before eye makeup. So I'm putting it like this and I'm just covering the border of my brow like this. And after that, I'm going to apply concealer over my whole lid. And I'm using, first, I'm using my finger. I'm pressing with my finger so it can deeply penetrate in my fine lines and wrinkles. And then I'm going to use the damp sponge. Because it's a cream-based concealer, so it can easily blend with the help of finger as well. Now you can see I got a finished look. And then after that, I'm going to use Fit Me Maybelline Press Powder. And I'm going to use a generous amount of pressed powder so it will give me a little more finished look. Now I'm using tape or any sticky thing for my liner shape. And I'm using Maybelline Tattoo Gel Pencil. And I'm going to create a shape with a very light hand. So like this, I'm going to create a shape in the very end edge. So with a very light hand. And I'm keep proceeding it. You don't have to worry about the, shape of your liner because I'm going to blend it with eye shade. So I'm just going rough like this over my whole eyelid and I'm just leaving my inner corner. Now this is e.l.f. Submerge brush and I'm using a small amount of dark brown shade and I'm blending my upper edge, upper line of my, you can see the liner. You can see I'm just blending the upper line, upper boundary line of my liner. So yeah, you have to be very slow and very careful. That's it. Now you can see I kind of got very finished look. Now I'm using Rimmel Wonder ink ink liner and I'm creating my inner edge like this. I'm not proceeding it toward any other thing, so it's just here. And covering it. So here it is done. Now I'm using mascara. This is Essence mascara and I'm going to give you a tip of mascara today because I'm not going to use lashes. So I will tell you how I'll do. Now I'm using Maybelline press powder on my lashes after using mascara. And because it will give me a little more thickness. Now I'm using lash curler and I will hold it for 30 seconds. After that, I will use a waterproof mascara. Before that, I didn't use the waterproof mascara, but after that, I'm going to use the waterproof mascara. So what waterproof mascara does, it will help your lash curls to stay for a longer time. So if you don't use a waterproof mascara, your curl will not stay. So as I use the lash curler, now you can see the lash has gotten the curls and they look more beautiful. So here's the final look. It's a very easy, very quick look, and you can achieve this look by using just two cosmetic products. And if you like my video and my hard work, just don't forget to subscribe my channel, Makeup 360. Goodbye.